everyone, I'm Vishnu. There is something that I want to talk about. Okay, see, whatever you want to do, whatever you do, people will there to say you negative things. People are there to say you the bad things. They will always taunt you. They will always say negative things about you, whatever you do. So just keeping their opinions aside, you have to do your work. You have to do your things that you actually want to do. So people don't have that kind of perception to see that you are doing some different. They cannot accept you as you are. They cannot accept you as you are. So yes, see, पहले कुछ चीजें ऐसे होता था, सब लोग चाहते थे कि वो जैसा चाहते हैं आप वैसा ही करो. असल में द थिंग इज पीपल डोंट वांट टू ग्रो, पीपल डोंट वांट टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, people don't want to make some new things, to do some new ideas. They cannot see that, they don't want to do all these things. लोग कभी नहीं चाहते कि तुम्हारा भला हो जाए, कि तुम सच में कुछ अलग कर जाओ. They cannot expect these things from you. So that is why they always judge you, they always say negative things, they always doubt you कि आप ये कर सकते हो या फिर नहीं कर सकते. But yes, you have to do your things. See, people will say always negative things. आज आप अच्छा भी करो, आप बुरा भी करो, they are always there to judge you. So उनको उनका ओपिनियन माइंड नहीं करता है, उनका ओपिनियन मैटर्स नहीं करता है. बट आप अपने काम को लेके कितना सीरियस हो वो मैटर करता है. सो पीपल विल जज यू वट एवर यू डू. सो let's stop all those things, let's ignore those things and start working on yourself and start believing on yourself that what you want to do and what you actually want to do. Start thinking about yourself, start thinking about your career, that is really matters to you. And yes, आप अगर रास्ते में जा रहे हो तो बहुत सारे लोग होंगे तुम्हें बहुत कुछ बोलने के लिए, बहुत सारे there are barking dog never bites. So yes, there are some people who always barks at you, they always taunt you. And yes, they also impact your mental health also. Strong enough to ignore all those things, be strong enough to let it go. Stop listening to them. Instead of start seeing yourself, instead of start doing work on yourself. And yes, there will as well as positive, जितने नेगेटिव लोग हैं उनसे कई ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव भी लोग हैं. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो तो दे विल ऑलवेज सपोर्ट यू, दे विल ऑलवेज सेट बिहाइंड यू. एंड यस, बट yes, there are also so many negative people who always drag you down, and that is okay. See, it's depend upon you, it's depend upon your mindset, that if you want to drag it for your inner things, then that others comments, other noises will make you affect. But you have to strong enough to let it go, and you have to strong enough to not to take it seriously, because you know yourself and you know you can do it. So believe on yourself and stop doubting yourself. Let's do what you want to do. And someone who wants to do something different, let's appreciate them, let's give positive comments instead of giving the negative comments. So yes, your appreciation really matters. And don't say negative things to someone. You don't know that a person who is going through what kind of phase. So stop giving opinions about that you don't know about all those things, right? So stop giving opinion and stop judging a person just by looking at themselves. You don't know what a person is going through. So yes, this is the things that I want to share. So don't let ruin your mental peace from others opinion. जो भी जिसको बोलना है वो बोलते रहेंगे. लोगों का काम ही है मतलब ऐसे नेगेटिव चीजें बोलना. तो stop taking those opinions seriously, stop taking those comments seriously. You know what you are, you know what you are doing. So yes, stay away from this kind of people and start ignoring this kind of people. They're really, they really make bad impact on you. So yes, let's appreciate people instead of doing bad comments. Let's cheer for others in their development, and let's make this environment positive for every people. And let's the social media gives positive information and gives positive vibes to everyone out there. So yes, If you want to change this kind of mentality and this kind of thinking of the people, do share it to your friends, and let's make changes in this kind of thinking. So yes, if you liked it, then share it to your friends and subscribe to this channel because this is free of cost. And yes, subscribe this channel for more this kind of videos. We will talk about it. Thank you. Thank you for your time.